Simple BillBook is India's simple billing and accountancy portal, built to simplify the billing process for every business. Let's quickly see how to create a simple and professional invoice using the Simple BillBook portal. First, open your browser and go to simplebillbook.in. Log in using your email ID and password.
After logging in, select the required company to continue.
Now, go to Manage Sales and click Invoice. On the right side, click Create Sale to begin. Want to add a new customer? Click New Customer at the top. Enter the details and hit Save. Already have a customer? Simply select the customer from the list and continue adding your invoice details, products, quantity, and pricing. Once everything is entered, click Create Sale. That's it. Your professional invoice is ready. Preview it instantly and print within seconds. Start using Simple BillBook today and simplify the billing process. Visit simplebillbook.in and start your 7-day free trial. Don't miss it. Simple BillBook, the simple solution for billing and accountancy. Start your free trial now and create professional invoices with ease.